Well, the internal temperature of an oven, T minutes, they're giving us units, they might ask us to interpret something later, after preheating began is given by the twice differentiable function. Why do they say that? That means you could take the derivative of it and then the derivative of that. So we could find the rate of change of the rate of change. That'll come in handy later. Don't panic when you see that. That's just something for later. Where A of T is measured in degrees Fahrenheit, T is measured in minutes. Okay, great. Selected values of A of T are shown in the table below. Use the data in the table to approximate A prime of 4. Whoa, what? What? Huh? They're asking us to approximate, come on, purple pen, don't fail me now. They're asking us to approximate the slope at 4 minutes. That's what they want. Now, we can't get an exact one. We're just going to have to approximate it because we don't have the actual equation of the function, right? Show all the work that leads to your answer. Interpret the meaning of your answer in using the correct units. So we need to use points around 4. Well, 4 is in here. So my only real options to truly narrow it down would be 2 to 6, right? So we can't go like 2 to 4. We don't know what happens at 4. We can't go 4 to 6 because we don't know what happens at 4, but we can go 2 to 6. So what we're going to do is continue to use the purple pen. Dare I? And we're going to find A of 6 minus A of 2, finding a slope, over 6 minus 2. Now, you're finding the value of a derivative, sir. I hear you. This is the value of the derivative at 4, and it's not equal, it's approximately. We're looking for a slope, but with no equation. We can't do our little fancy formula. We can't do that alternative form of a derivative. We can't do all that stuff. We're just kind of stuck trying this, and this is our estimate. Well, we have 246 minus 122 divided by 4, and that gives me 124 divided by 4, which gives me 31. And show all the work that leads to your answer and interpret the meaning of your answer with using the correct units or with the correct units. So we had this number, 124, which was degrees Fahrenheit. We had 4 minutes. So this is 31 degrees Fahrenheit per minute. Now, I'm still going to write a sentence with that. And here it goes. At T equals 4 minutes, the temperature of the oven, because that's what we're dealing with, temperature of an oven, internal temperature in an oven, is, okay, I would love to say the word changing, and it is changing. I'm going to get really specific with the way I word this. This number is positive, right? Therefore, the oven is heating up. We can see that from the data in the table anyway, and they did not tell us the oven is strictly increasing in temperature, but from what we see, we do know that our average rate of change is positive, and our estimate for the derivative is positive. So is increasing at a rate of 31 degrees Fahrenheit per minute.